Old fighter jets make the pilot process dozens of screens at once, but the F-35 Lightning II does something completely insane. It merges radar, thermal sensors, and camera systems into one single God mode picture directly inside the pilot's helmet. It's called sensor fusion, and it makes the F-35 practically omniscient in combat. In this video we will break down how F-35 sensor fusion actually works. Explained simply, without the overwhelming jargon. Buckle up. Before the F-35, fighter pilots fought their instruments as much as the enemy. Multiple screens, mismatched symbols, and raw data streams demanded non-stop attention. Every sensor spoke a different language. The pilot had to translate on the fly. That creates cognitive overload. Your brain bandwidth gets burned on housekeeping. Traditional pilots spend up to 80% of their time reading and sorting data, not fighting. Targets on radar might not line up with infrared, and threat warnings flood the earphones. You become the human fusion computer, slow, stressed, and error-prone. Now contrast that with the F-35, a calm, unified picture on a clean glass cockpit. Instead of drowning in symbols, the jet elevates what matters right now. The result, the pilot looks out, not down, and fights, not files. Decisions get faster, mistakes drop, and survivability spikes. Overload becomes clarity. Here are the four brains feeding that clarity. 1. APG-81 Radar, the eyes. It paints the sky with agile, steerable beams. It tracks multiple targets at long range, resists jamming, and maps the ground in high resolution. Think of it as a flashlight that can also take detailed photographs through weather. 2. EOTS, the telescope. A stabilized infrared and TV sensor for precision ID and tracking. It magnifies distant targets, spots heat, reads shapes, and guides weapons accurately. If radar says something is there, EOTS helps confirm what it is. 3. APG-81 Radar. 6 infrared cameras watch in every direction, no blind spots. It warns of missiles, tracks aircraft, and even lets the pilot see through the jet at night. Look anywhere, see everywhere. 4. ASQ-239, the electronic warfare shield. It detects radars, classifies threats, and jams or deceives them when needed. A built-in threat encyclopedia turns chaos into labeled, prioritized danger. 4 powerful sensors, but the real magic is what happens next. Enter sensor fusion, one picture, one truth. Inside the F-35, a central mission computer ingests all 4 data streams at once. It cross-checks who sees what, from where, and when. If one sensor sees a phantom, but others disagree, the ghost gets rejected. Agreement boosts confidence, disagreement triggers caution and more checks. The jet builds a living 3D model. Positions, altitudes, speeds, and threat levels. Friends, foes, and unknowns are labeled clearly. No spreadsheet required. Urgent threats rise to the top so the pilot acts in the right order. The system quietly recommends the best sensors and weapons for the job. All of it lives on the HMDS, the helmet, so the picture moves with the pilot. Look down through the floor, see through darkness and weather. Glance at a target and the sensors slave instantly. Eyes become the cursor, hands stay on the controls. The jet reduces clicks, menus, and mental load. Fusion predicts where targets are going, not just where they were. It deconflicts friendlies, avoids fratricide, and keeps formation awareness tight. When it is time to act, everything is already lined up. Calm cockpit, decisive pilot. Now multiply that fused picture across the formation with MADL, the multifunction advanced data link. Each jet shares what it sees, so everyone flies with the best version of the truth. You can stay stealthy, go passive, and still own the battle space through your wingmen. One aircraft senses, another shoots, a third jams, fused like a single organism. That is the edge. Faster decisions, fewer mistakes, and overwhelming awareness. Sensor fusion turns information into dominance. If you learned something today, smash subscribe and ring the bell for more Miltech deep dives. Thanks for watching.